How to enable and disable BuddyPress activity filter with an easy way. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to enable and disable BuddyPress activity filter with an easy way. By default, BuddyPress does not offer a settings option for this feature, but you can enable or disable it with only few single clicks. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Once Youzify is active, please go to Youzify panel, General Settings, and then Wall Settings. And then scroll down to Filters Settings box. You can select Want to disable activity filter on Global Activity page, Profile Activity page, or both of them. And then save the settings page. Let's see the result. You can see the activity filter disabled. You can enable it again with only few single clicks if you want. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.